Hello, good morning all. Today in this video we are going to discuss regarding how to inherit and add a button to an existing form view in Odoo. So currently in the screen you are seeing Odoo version 12 community edition. If I go to the sales module, so I'll click on the sales menu, and if I open the sales form view, here you can see we have got different buttons in the header. So in this form view you can see we have already inherited and add the patient name is patient. So these are the fields that we have added into the sales form view by using inherit. So let's see how we can add a new button into the header in this video. So first of all, for adding or making changes into an existing form view, we have to get its external ID. So for getting external ID of a record, you have to activate the debug mode. So currently in the URL you can see I have already activated the debug mode. So as I have activated the debug mode, I have got the access to the developer tools. So if I click on the debugger button and if I click on edit view form, you can see the external ID of the corresponding record. So here you can see the external ID is sale.view order form. So I will just copy this, and if I go to the PyCharm, and here we have got our module, that is OM Hospital or Odoo Development Tutorials module. So yet if you haven't got this module, you can just download it from the Odoo App Store, or you can get it from our GitHub repository. So if I search inside this module for the code, this one, I can see we have already inherited this record. So I'll just open that. So here you can see inside the sale order.xml file in the OM Hospital, we have already inherited the corresponding form view for adding these fields, that is patient name and is patient. So here you can see we have already inherited and added two new fields into the corresponding view. So similarly, right now we are going to add a new button here. So let's see how we can do that. So I'll just reuse this record itself so that I don't want to create a new record. So in your case, you can just create a new record like this. You have to give an ID. You have to specify the model name. So here you can see currently our model is, if you check the URL, you can see model equal to sale.order, or you can get the model name from the edit view form. So if I go to the edit view form, here you can see the model is sale.order. So you have to specify the model name. So I have specified the model name, and in the inherit ID I have given the external ID of the record that I am inheriting. So if I come here, I can see the external ID is sale.viewOrder form. So I have specified the reference. So you have to give an ID for the record, you have to give a name. So regarding the name, you can give name as per your wish, and model name has to be given correctly, and inherit ID also has to be given correctly. So that's done. Now what we have to do, we have to add a new button into the header. So first of all, if I place the mouse over this button, you can see method is action confirm. So if I click on edit view form, here you can see action confirm. So here you can see this is the button. There is a button with the name action confirm. So let's add the new button after this confirm button. So here you can see string is given as confirm. So this is the button that we are seeing here. So we are going to add the new button after or next to this button. So I'll just copy this name, button name action confirm, copy, and I'll come to the PyCharm, and here I will add the code button name equal to, I'll specify the name that I have copied, that is action confirm, and position. We have to get the new button after this button. So I'll give the position as after. So you can either use after or before. So right now we are going to add the new button after to the confirm button. So I'll give the position after. Then inside this you have to add the new button. So I'll add button name equal to button name. So I'll give the name as test, and you have to give a string which will be appearing on the button. So I'll give the string as test, and I'll give the type as object. So for a button, actually there is two types of buttons, that is one is type equal to object and one is type equal to action. The type equal to object will call the Python function, whereas type equal to action will call the corresponding action in the XML. So if you don't know the difference, we have already made a video on explaining the difference between button types. You can just have a look at it. I will add it into the video description. So what we have done so far is, we have in the inherited record we have added these three lines of code, that is button name action confirm. So we are going to add the new button after to the confirm button. So we have taken its name, that is action confirm, position after, we added a new button, that is button name equal to test, string is given as test, and type equal to object. So I'll just restart the service. So as you have made changes inside the XML, actually there is no need to restart the service. Now I'll go to the UI, I'll close this wizard, and here you can see after confirm right now we have got the preview button. So let's see after upgrading the module. So I'll go to the apps menu, and from the apps menu I'll just upgrade the Odoo development tutorials module. So let's wait until the upgrading is completed. So if you haven't liked the video, please do click the like button and subscribe the channel to get notified regarding all the upcoming videos. So you can see the module has been got upgraded successfully. There is no errors. So right now we will go to the sales form view. So if I go to the sales, and if I open this sales record, you can see a test button has got added. So but it has comes before, so but actually we have given action confirm after. So here it comes sale order test. So we have successfully added the button. So regarding its position, so let me check edit view form, action confirm. So actually action confirm, oh actually there is two action confirm. I'll do one thing, I'll copy preview sale order button, control C, and I'll just change the position, like instead of action button I'll give the position as related with this button, because actually we have got two confirm buttons. So if you click on edit view form, you can see we have got two button with the same name, that is name action confirm. So we might have added this field after this one, so you are seeing like this. So just I changed the name to preview sale order button, and I have added the new button based on the preview button. So let's upgrade the module and see what happens. So right now the button test will comes after the preview button. So earlier we have added based on the action confirm. Actually there was two action confirm button in the same view. So let's upgrade the module and see what happens. So if I go to the sales, and if I open the SO043, you can see right now the test is coming after the preview button as we have given here, that is preview sale order position after. So this is how you can inherit and add a button to an existing form view. So right now if you click on this button, you will get an error, that is there is no test type sale order has no attribute test, because we haven't defined the corresponding function inside the model. So you can just define the corresponding function. So regarding that, I think you can check the video regarding how to add button states and workflow. So that's all about this video. If you like the video, please do click the like button and subscribe the channel to get notified regarding all the upcoming videos. Thank you.